Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will extend all your toggles right here that you have added or have been added by default. And in here you are looking for the hotspot toggle, which should be added by default. And for me, it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see this little button, first time around, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. And the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because under the hotspot settings, you will find the randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. Now, I also recommend just straight up getting rid of it and setting up your own password of your preference. It will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both. Doesn't really matter. You can also go over other options that are listed right here, though I recommend keeping them as they are set up by default, as this will ensure the biggest compatibility with other devices. If you change it, that might no longer be the case, as for instance enabling Wi-Fi 6 would limit older devices from being able to connect to it, or specifically the AP band. So for instance, you can switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and any device that only supports 2.4 will not be able to see the newer Wi-Fi. Anyway, once everything is set, make sure you click right here to save the changes. Close this, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it. It also shows you how many devices are connected to your hotspot right here. Hotspot will obviously be using your mobile network, so sometimes if you experience that your mobile network is running out too quickly, maybe someone has access to your hotspot that you wouldn't want to, so you can see how many people are connected to it and obviously deal with those accordingly. And once you're done using your hotspot, you can turn it off by finding this toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.